Hello friends and welcome to Pendulum IAS. Today we'll be discussing UPSC Current Affair Quiz of 24 June 2020, and those who have not subscribed to our channel Pendulum IAS, please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notification. So let's start the quiz. First question is, which of the following is not true regarding golden langurs? Its scientific name is Trachypithecus gyi. It is found only in Assam and parts of Bhutan. Its IUCN status is vulnerable, and these are endemic to the semi-green and mixed deciduous forests. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is, this is not true regarding golden langurs, that's its IUCN status is vulnerable. Recently, the primatologists have observed that the habitats of golden langurs in Assam has fragmented due to electric wires and gap in the forest due to felling of trees, and this has also increased the threat of inbreeding among golden langurs. The scientific name of gyi's golden langur is Trachypithecus gyi. It is found only in Assam and parts of Bhutan. These are endemic to the semi-green and mixed deciduous forests of India and Bhutan. The IUCN status of golden langurs is endangered. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Moving to the next question, which of the following correctly describes Swabhiman Aanchal? It is the government scheme to promote MSME sector. It is an initiative of the Odisha government to fight with COVID-19 pandemic. It is the portal launched by the Ministry of Finance for the grievance redressal mechanism of taxpayers, or it is a cut-off area in Malkangiri district of Odisha, which is stronghold of Maoist. So the correct answer for this is option D, that it is a cut-off area in Malkangiri district of Odisha, which is a stronghold of Maoist. Swabhiman Aanchal is a cut-off area in Malkangiri district of Odisha, which is a stronghold of Maoist. The region is covered by water on three sides and an inaccessible area from another. The region has been used by Maoists from Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to escape from the police. In the past, the people of this region had protested against the lack of development in the area. Recently, Odisha State Police have said that the development activities in this region have increased due to strengthening of security network in the area. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Moving to the next question, consider the following statements regarding Senkaku Island. Japan and China claim ownership of these islands. Taiwan administers Senkaku Island chain. Senkaku Islands are located in East China Sea. Which of the above given statements is or are incorrect? 1 and 2 only, 2 only, 1 and 3 only, and 3 only. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is 2 only. Statement 2 is incorrect. The local assembly of Ishigaki city of Japan approved a plan to change the name of Senkaku Islands from Toshiro to Tonshiro Senkaku. The Senkaku Islands are a group of uninhabited islands located in East China. You can see the location of Senkaku Island in East China Sea. It is called Senkaku in Japan and Diaoyus in China and Taiwan. It is a disputed region between China, Japan and Taiwan. The Senkaku Islands are administered by Japan as the part of the city of Ishigaki since 1972. These uninhabited islands are claimed ownership by Japan and China, and this development came after the dispute between India and China along the Galwan Valley. The region is strategically and economically significant due to its location and presence of undersea oil reserves and rich fishing grounds. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Moving to the next question, which of the following statements is or are true regarding hyacinth macaw? It is the largest flying parrot species. It is native to Central and Eastern South America. You have to select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Hyacinth macaw is the largest flying parrot species and it is native to Central and Eastern South America. Its IUCN status is vulnerable and it is listed under Appendix 1 of CITES. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) has carried out a joint operation in coordination with the Wildlife Crime Controls Bureau and the Customs Department at the Kolkata airport. Under the operation, the consignment of 22 exotic macaws was intercepted at the airport. These macaws were smuggled from Bangladesh to Kolkata and were to reach Bengaluru. The 22 exotic species were identified as hyacinth macaw, Pesquet's parrot, Sevier macaw, and Hyan's macaw. Trade and commerce in wild animals, animal articles or trophies are prohibited under sections 48 and 49 of the Wildlife Protection Act. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Moving to the next question. Which of the following active volcanoes is located in Indonesia? Mount Merapi, Mount Erebus, Mount Yasser Tal volcano. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is Mount Merapi. Mount Merapi is one of the most active volcanoes in the world located in Indonesia. There are about 130 active volcanoes in Indonesia as it is located on the Ring of Fire where many tectonic plates meet. On 21st June 2020, Mount Merapi erupted twice. The last eruption occurred in March 2019, while the last significant eruption occurred in 2010 that killed more than 300 people. Hence, the correct answer is option A. So friends, here we have covered daily current affair quiz of 24 June. I hope you like this session. Like it, share it as much as you can, and if you have any doubt, you can mention that in comment box. And keep following daily current affair quiz. Keep preparing well. All the best. Thank you so much.